Again, this lady here in the black Peugeot, she's just hung back a little bit, which is just a signal for me to say, well, I think it's clear for you, but I'm going to check for myself. Thank you very much. And then I'm going to come out. But she kind of beckoned me on there, but what I didn't do is just willy-nilly just, you know, moved out. What I had to do is I can't ignore her, because that would just be rude. But I saw her beckon me on, and so I looked and looked and looked and looked and made sure that it was clear for myself. Of course, in your driving test, you're not allowed to beckon anyone on or flash your lights or anything like that, because you have to let the people make their own mind up. And that's what happened there. She beckoned me on, but I still made up my own mind. I'm in this